So today I have this controller, and obviously it has some stick drift, but mainly there's an issue with this port. It does connect to the PC, but it randomly disconnects and there is no light on the LEDs. So let's take it apart and check it out. That was a bit of a violent opening. So I tested it with another board that I know has connected before, and it's doing the same thing. It's randomly disconnecting. So I'm thinking there must be something wrong on this motherboard. Alright, so as you can see, this potentiometer is pretty nasty. I don't know how all this stuff got in here. Let's just bathe it in IPA, why not? What is that? Oh, what the hell is that? Ugh. I think we'll have to open these up and see what lies inside, because I don't trust this anymore. So based on the scratching patterns, I think it's this left part here and this right part here that are scratching it. So I'm thinking if I just try to move it a bit, we should get it out of the way and maybe it will behave a little bit better. Alright, so believe it or not, we actually managed to get this one not drift anymore. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna clean off this controller shell